to another episode of Ask Jade. So, it is tax season. It's March. So, we're going to talk about the legal tax disconnect. Everyone is thinking taxes, few are thinking legal structure. And if your accountant is doing legal work, that's a problem. Your accountant is essential, your lawyer is essential, but they don't do the same job, although there is a lot of overlap. CPAs are experts in tax reporting and strategy. So, where does this legal tax gap show up most often? Often with commingling money, if you're paying personal expenses from business funds, if you're not documenting owner distributions. And this is how courts pierce the corporate veil, and suddenly your LLC or your entity protection disappears. That's legal. Misunderstanding distributions versus payroll. So owners that pay themselves incorrectly, this is something to work with your CPA on, but obviously also get advising from your attorney. Contractor versus employee issues when you are legally misclassifying. This can trigger audits or tax penalties, lawsuits when someone is actually an employee and you're treating them as a contractor or vice versa. So when is it time for a legal review? Right now, always. No, some things to think about right now are if your revenue has jumped significantly, if you've added partners, contractors, employees, if you're paying yourself differently than you were before, it's probably time for a legal review. So just keep in mind, accountants report the past, lawyers protect your future. So as always, please feel free to reach out to Jade Carpenter at Zeitman & Carpenter, and I'll see you next time.